Good morning, good afternoon, HTM 101. We are going to be talking about restaurant business, so I hope you enjoyed the first part in our next couple of weeks of food and beverage series that we accomplished, which was beverage. Now we'll start thinking a little bit more about restaurant business and what types of classifications there are in restaurants and some factors to consider. And one of the activities that we're going to do is you're going to have your thoughts on your own restaurant. And so maybe this might be something that you are interested in as a career, or maybe not. But at any rate, there are a couple of different applications that can be utilized by thinking about restaurant business, about your target market, about where you would have your business, and what kinds of things would lead you to be successful. So you'll be able to review that in the restaurant business page, and then also I'll solicit you to think about some food trends and practices. And then one of the other items that I wanted to share that I try to introduce assignments that I think might take a little bit longer or might have some questions. I try to introduce them with enough time. So while food and beverage assignment has been out there for a couple of weeks and we're still building on that knowledge, so I have included it as a due item, although it's not due yet, but just for you to keep that in your mind that it will be coming up soon. The build your own restaurant is a little bit quicker because it's kind of just your ideas, but the mind map assignment is another assignment that I wanted to bring to your attention that I think you're going to enjoy, because it does require you to think about what you want to do with your kind of, how do I say, for your career path. And so what I have on the screen for you right now is some information first that you'll be able to look at in terms of what is a mind map, which is kind of a way for you to maybe get artistic, but you don't have to. And the application or the video does show an actual app that you can buy. You don't have to buy any app though. I just wanted it to demonstrate what a mind map is so that you can think about in the center kind of what your career goal is in hospitality, and then be able to branch out from there as to what kinds of things you would need to do. What are your strengths and weaknesses? What kind of education, what kind of experience do you need to be able to achieve that goal in the center? So I do have office hours that I have on the books. Next week it'll be at 5:30 instead of 5 o'clock because I unfortunately had a meeting pop up, so I needed to adjust that time. So if you have any questions about that, you can attend the office hours, or you can simply email me and I'm happy to help and to respond. But I really do hope that you have a great week and you enjoy thinking about the restaurant business. And if this is something that you are particular passion about or questions on, let me know and I can mold the next couple of weeks into something that would be interesting to you. Have a great week and I will see you soon.